welcome back to my video. I'm at channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection number 2, which is all my slimes, even for my dad's and my mom's. So let's start with my kind of doughy kinds. So first I have this like kinetic sand and Play-Doh. It's kind of like slime, it's kind of like butter slime, and I like it. It's super nice. So you can kind of see like right there, I think. It's super cool. It's not like real butter slime, but it's actually pretty cool. And there's like a Play-Doh print after you play with it. And that will go with my other one that's green. So let's put these aside over here. And I have this like butter slime slash cloud slime. This was not made with glue. It's actually made with shampoo, water, cornstarch, and I added some oils to make it soft and not be like when you do that it kind of like breaks. So I'm taming it to do that, not to do that. And it's kind of like deodorant because it just feels super weird. Okay, now let's go with my other ones. I have 1 cup of water and some borax beside me. So if it's sticky, I can add some of that. And this one's a bit sticky, so I'm going to add some. And I just added borax not too long ago. Okay, and then I'm mixing this. And let's grab this out of here. Woo! And it's kind of sticky, but I like it. It's just pretty cold, and it's super good. I just like the feeling of it, and it's easy to get it off. You just have to wash your hands after you get most of it off. And then sometimes I like to rub it and then just plop it in. Even though my hands are gonna be still filled with it, I can try to get it off.
Did you bring any of those slides?
Okay, so that's good enough. I got most of that off. Let's go with my kinetic sand slime. I'm going to kind of clean it off with the other slime I had on my hand. And now I'm mixing this. Sorry for the background noises if you are disturbed by it. Now we have this like different slime I don't think a lot of people make. It's like this rubber band kind of slime. See, there's a lot of rubber bands in it. And here's my like green slime kind of thing. It seems a lot brighter. It's kind of a little bit darker. It might seem pretty bright in here, but it isn't. It's only 5:02 here right now. Well, right now. And then I have this purple flower. And then this is super nice. I'm not going to show it putting it on the table because that would just be a waste of time. And I'm sorry if I don't show it on the table. Oops, sorry for that. I got this pink slime. I don't put my slimes in containers because I usually use them for like school, and so I put this one in a bag. So this one's pretty cool. It kind of droopes. I just like that kind. That's one of my favorites from my dad's house. Okay, let's go with this one. This one's like some of my old ones. And then I have this different green kind of slime. And it's my St. Patrick's Day slime, so it's a fluffy kind. Fluffy St. Patrick's Day slime. So this one's one of my favorites. The shaving cream just gives it a nice kind of smell, just like that smell. And then I have this pink cotton candy slime. This one isn't stretchy because it will rip, so I don't like to play with this kind so much. Okay, let's go with this kind.
I don't think this is just about Melody dating Michelle. What else would be wrong? Well, I'm wondering if maybe you're starting to have feelings for him? That's crazy. Why would you think that? All the pretty clothes for work, all the time.
So this one is nice.
Ready before you go in? You have to go to my history class. They'll be close enough to.
Okay, and then I have this green booger slime. I like this one. Super nice.
Good.
And it's not stretchy, kind of like boogers when it's not that like stretchy at all. It's like kind of dry. So I like this slime. Oh, it's so hard. Okay, now I have this purple cotton candy slime. Kind of like that pink one. It wasn't that stretchy. Now I have this like tail kind of foam, I guess. Last slime, the biggest slime, I think. It's like this kind, but it's kind of sticky, so I'm not bringing it out of the bag. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will hope you like my next one. Bye guys.